Hello, it's Richard again, and this is the WCAG Documents project focused on web accessibility. In this video, I will talk about the WCAG Criterion 131, Info and Relationships. You can also read it online at accessibility.actumdigital.com, where you will find more information. Let's get into it. The intent of this success criterion is that the information, structure, and relationships conveyed through presentation can be programmatically determined or are available in text. What does it mean? If something is programmatically determinable, it implies that its structure, labeling, and relationships are designed in a way that allows various technologies to retrieve it and present it to users in different ways based on their presentation format. The presentation, in this context, means rendering the content in a form users can perceive, such as standard browser reading, browsing in the reader mode, browsing with disabled CSS styles, using a screen reader, and more. Information and relationships implied by visual or auditory formatting must be preserved when the presentation format changes. For instance, putting text into the H1 element allows the browser to style the text with a bigger font size and add it to the page heading outline. So sighted users can recognize the text as a heading thanks to its styles, and screen reader users can hear heading level 1 as screen readers can programmatically determine it from the markup. If it is not possible to preserve the formatting when the presentation format changes, supplement additional information with text. Use HTML elements according to their meaning, not because of the way they appear visually. Let's take a look at some examples. The following example shows the correct usage or implementation of accessibility. Game list. There is headline Our Games followed by a list of 3 game names. Because all elements are implemented semantically, using H3, UL, and LI elements, users using different presentation formats can understand that there is a heading and a list. Also, the first game in the list, the Castle Attack 2023, is wrapped in the strong tag, putting an emphasis on it. Visually, the text will normally get bold, but because some screen readers cannot properly handle emphasis, there is also a text saying new, indicating this game is the newest edition. The following example shows the incorrect usage or implementation of accessibility. Visual-only heading. A heading is implemented as a paragraph. The paragraph has a CSS class with styles that make it visually look like a heading. But because it is a P and not H1 element, or other heading levels, it is not programmatically determinable as a heading. Screen reader users, for instance, would not be able to detect this text as a heading and navigate through it. And that was all for this video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one. Have a nice day.